Hello, how are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to continue working in the phonology part. The page is the 20 page. Phonology lesson 2. Okay, in order to work on it, we are going to listen the words again. Okay, we are going to practice this word. Okay, listen.
Lesson 2. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Command. Command. Jerk. Jerk. Summer. Summer. Module. Module. Bounced. Bounced. Floating. Floating. Rumor. Rumor. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Whiskers. Whiskers. Rodent. Rodent. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Okay, excellent. And you are ready to work on the page number 20. Okay, here we go. Listen to the instructions. Listen to the word list again and practice your pronunciation. Then write the correct words in the blanks below. Okay, listen because I'm going to help you. Okay, which words have an sound like mom? I have summer, command, comfortable, rumor, module. Okay, number 2. Which word starts with a sound like hum? Okay, I have jerk. Okay, number 3. Which word have a sound like best? I have comfortable, seatbelt, bounce. Okay, number 4. Which word begins with the double sound like a when? Whiskers. Okay, excellent. Number 5. Which words have a sound like toast? I have rodent, comfortable, seatbelt, pilot, and flooring. Okay, number 6. Which words have a double consonant? Okay, I have summer, command. Okay, excellent. Now, in this other part, you are going to work alone. Okay? Yes? Okay. We are going to work with, okay, one syllable, two syllables, four syllables. Okay, one syllable. Jerk, bounced. Okay, two syllables. Summer, rumor, rodent, pilots, command, module, whiskers, flooring, seat belt. Okay, with four syllables, I have one. Comfortable. Got it. Excellent. Very good. Okay, this is your homework for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, you are a hard worker. Congratulations. Have a good day. Bye bye.